Hello everyone, welcome back to PhysicsTech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Today I am going to discuss an interesting and exclusive topic. What's that? Did you think that a day is equal to 24 hours? No, that's wrong. Why and how? We can discuss those things in this video. Are you ready? A day is not equal to 24 hours. Then what? A day is equal to 24 hours minus 1.5 milliseconds. We can come to our point. To know about this, can go the early stage of our Earth. Billion years ago, our Earth had only one land and one ocean, Pangaea and Andalasa. Due to the tectonic plate movement, Pangaea divided into 7 continents. From this example, we got an idea that the shape of Earth is changing depends upon the natural phenomena. Natural phenomena like earthquakes, cyclones, melting of ice, and nowadays we all know about global warming. This also a cause of changing the moment of inertia. That's why the speed of rotation of Earth is changing. Nowadays, the speed of rotation of Earth is increasing. That's why there will be a shortage in a day. I hope you got this idea. If you like this video, just share to your friends.